Okay, tried my hand at aluminum brazing. Not as easy as it looks. Basically, I first tried it on this one right here. Oops, sorry. First tried it here. It just became a big puddly mess. Finally, kind of held it with some about like that, and so that things wouldn't move, and then kind of let things cool down. Let it picked it up and kind of put it on the on this to. Man, I'm horrible with the iPhone on this. So basically, let it cool down a little bit, and then finally dunked it in water. It's still a little warm, but I got a much better weld through here. I didn't really go all the way out here, so, but we look, it looks not the greatest there, but it actually did go through there, and that's where I kind of concentrated most of the heat, was right in that area there. So definitely have to kind of basically glob it on and then go to the opposite side, heat it up, and get that material to kind of pull through, kind of really scorch it on the back, and then get that material to kind of pull through. So that's seems to be pretty good. So I'm going to give it a little test here, see how it is. So not too shabby. I mean, I'd say it's pretty good. I mean, I'm no expert, but that looks pretty damn well on there. So I mean, it is kind of cracking off there where I didn't really get it, but yeah, that's some pretty good hits though, and it was staying on there pretty good. So, and again, that's just a butt weld. So get a little bit better at my brazing, and I think we'll be good for the intercooler. I mean, nothing's really going to be that violent, I don't think. It might be repetitive, shaking, vibrating, but with the intercooler brackets, but nothing like that violent. So maybe more stress cracks than violent break it off cracks. But anyway, so just wanted to do a quick little video to show my second attempt, or whatever. There's my first attempt, there's my second attempt at some aluminum brazing on some test pieces here. So not too shabby. I think, obviously get a little bit better, get a little bit better technique going. So it shouldn't be too bad. So part 2 complete.